Hi guys, welcome back to Tube Chinese. I am 𝐿 𝐶𝐃 𝐎𝐟𝐟. Today we are going to learn some useful catchphrases in Cantonese. Before we start it, please check if you have subscribed my YouTube channel, and if you like today's video, don't forget to click the like button, okay? The first one, it depends. During our classes, we often discuss Western and Chinese culture. There are usually stereotypes about each culture. For example, do Chinese shops not accept cash? Are toilets free in Europe? We can always say 睇情況, 睇情況, it depends. It literally means see the situation. 睇 has many meanings like reading, seeing, watching, and even checking, right? 情況, it means circumstance. When your friend asks you, 下個禮拜一齊去飲茶咯。下個禮拜一齊去飲茶咯。Shall we go for dim sum together next week? You can say 睇情況啦，睇情況啦。It depends. Let's see. Maybe you're not available, right? And if they ask you 美國人係唔係好花心㗎？美國人係唔係好花心㗎？花心，花心。This one is very interesting saying. 花 is like flower, 心 is like the heart. Literally means like the center of the flower. So it talk about somebody have many lovers. They are like a playboy or playgirl or player, something like that. So 美國人係唔係好花心㗎? Sometimes the people have a stereotype, right? So you can answer 睇人啦，睇人啦. It depends on people, right? 睇人啦。And when my students ask me, 一年可唔可以學識講廣東話啊？一年可唔可以學識講廣東話啊？一年 a year 可唔可以 can or not 學識 learn 講廣東話 speak Cantonese. I guess they mean to reach B1 level. So I can say 睇人啦，睇年紀啦。It depends on the person or it depends on age. 年紀 is age. Some people are diligent and learn fast. And if you just spend 1 hour per week and never practice after class, so your learning will be really slow. So remember, learn and practice, okay? Number 2, rain check. Rain check in Chinese concept means just change to another day. Another day is 第二日, but in short we say 第日. For example, 今晚一齊去買嘢咯。今晚一齊去買嘢咯。Shall we go shopping tonight? Your answer could be 第日先啦，我今晚要加班啊。第日先啦，我今晚要加班啊。第日先啦，第日 another day. 第日先啦 just another day. 加班 work overtime. I have to work overtime tonight. Number 3, I'm sorry. Here we're not talking about the usually sorry. Everyone knows I'm sorry is 對唔住 or 唔好意思. But here we are talking about feeling bad about the situation. For example, my grandpa passed away this year, so some students they say 對唔住. You did nothing wrong, not need to say that. So instead, we can say ，Gloria， 我好明白你嘅心情。我好明白你嘅心情。明白 ，understand。心情 is emotion, feeling。我好明白你嘅心情。I can understand your feelings. After saying this, we can say something comforting. For example, if your friend just broke up, you can say 我好明白你嘅心情，你肯定好唔開心啦，咪唔開心啦，舊嘅唔去，新嘅唔嚟。我好明白你嘅心情。I can understand your feelings. 你肯定好唔開心啦，你肯定好唔開心啦，肯定 definitely。好唔開心 not happy, unhappy. 咪唔開心啦 don't be sad. 舊嘅唔去，新嘅唔嚟。舊 old, 新 new. 舊嘅唔去，新嘅唔嚟。A little means the old thing didn't go, the new thing won't come. So it's like out with the old, in with the new. That is I'm sorry. Next one, I'm cool with it. If you're super chill and don't care where you go, you can just tell your friend. 我都得，我都得. I'm okay with everything. But be careful with 都. Some textbook will translate it as also, both. I prefer to see it as a simple or plural meaning, which means I'm cool with everything. Or we can always say 點都得,點都得. Everything is okay. Just because its meanings of being casual, it's also a brand name of a dim sum restaurant. Is there is a 點都得 restaurant around you? If your friend said, 我哋聽日去飲茶定係去飲咖啡啊? 我哋聽日去飲茶定係飲咖啡啊? 去飲茶 飲茶 go for dim sum 定係 or 去飲咖啡 go to drink coffee 我點都得 I'm cool with either of them. The last one, you are the boss. It's your call. It's up to you. You are in charge. All of them. We just use one expression. I have trouble making decisions. I'm the youngest one in my family and no one in my family listen to me. So I always say this to them. 你話事啦, 你話事啦. It literally means you speak the thing. So it's like you have the final saying. So 你話事啦, it means it's up to you. It's your call. If you're talking about your travel plans with your partner, 我哋去意大利旅行好唔好啊? 我哋去意大利旅行好唔好啊? 意大利 Italy 旅行 travel 我哋去意大利旅行好唔好啊? Shall we travel to Italy? And your partner answer 你話事啦, 你話事啦. It's up to you. Today we have learned these 5 common useful expressions. You might find that even though you know these words, they are still different from your understanding. That's because you usually practice speaking with a Western mindset, but you really don't know Cantonese culture. That's why I really suggest you find Cantonese friends and learn more about Cantonese culture. If you don't have a Cantonese friend around you and they don't correct your mistakes, you can come to my class to learn about Cantonese culture. Learning a language without understanding its background and culture means you're just scratching the surface. If you like today's video, please hit the like button. It's really important for me because lately the rate is not so well. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.